know where it is coming from.
Yeah, Senior Apostle. Yes, good afternoon, my fellow minister. You're always fast to speak. Yes. Yes, I'm actually at the church premises. Yes, I have oh, madam, everybody is fine. They are all fine. What else are we laboring for? There is a little problem, oh. Yes. You know this junior pastor that was posted to your place? Yeah, that fair, handsome young boy. Yes. Yes. Oh, no. He came with his wife. You know, they got married 2 months ago. And it's not a good thing. No? He said, in fact, they are having crisis in the home, and the wife has also confessed to me that both of you are sleeping together. Oh, okay, you are trying to give her fruit of the womb through your manhood. Is that the process? You know, this is why people are giving us bad name in this ministry. No. That you have destroyed that boy's family. Oh. No, he told me if a senior man of God can do this to him, that he's going to leave the work. He wants to embark on a very spiritual journey, serious one for you. He said he's no longer interested. If he's not interested in church things again, that you will see him at the other side. You know that this is not the first time I'm getting this type of report. You have been used to this kind of thing. Every time you see people's wife. My brother, you are not called to the ministry of God, you are called to that of the devil. Now you are going to receive your reward, though. I should intervene on your behalf. No, the boy said he's not interested in that woman again, no. Yes. I should give them the phone. You know, he said no. But, man, yes, I can't call you man of God again. Man of devil, what happened to the woman that you have? But at least you are married and you kept one in the village. I understand that there's one in Lokoja too. Okay, it is a weak point. I see. Okay, now you see what your weak point will lead you to. It will lead you to the weakest corner. Hold on. They are warning me that my credit is finished. You know, last Sunday they didn't bring enough offering. Please, you need to come and see me. Let's see how best we can resolve this matter. But I'm not sure there's any resolution. But come and see me, okay? It's urgent. All right. Okay, bye-bye.